The process of making Coca-Cola in a factory involves several key steps, from sourcing raw materials to the final packaging. Here's an overview of how Coca-Cola is made in a factory. 1. Asterisk. Sourcing ingredients. Coca-Cola is made using a few basic ingredients. Water. Asterisk. The main ingredient which is purified and filtered to meet stringent quality standards. Asterisk. High fructose corn syrup HFCS or sucrose asterisk. A sweetener used to provide the signature taste. Asterisk. Caramel color asterisk. Gives Coca-Cola its characteristic dark color. Asterisk. Phosphoric acid asterisk. Adds tartness and balances the sweetness. Asterisk. Caffeine asterisk. A key ingredient in Coca-Cola's distinct flavor. Asterisk. Natural flavors. Asterisk. A blend of essential oils, flavoring extracts, and spices that make the drink unique. Asterisk. Citric acid asterisk. Used for acidity and flavor balance. 2. Asterisk water. Treatment and filtration. The water used in Coca-Cola production is purified through a multi-step filtration process. This includes removing impurities, minerals, and microorganisms, ensuring the water meets Coca-Cola's strict quality standards. 3. Asterisk. Syrup preparation. The sweeteners, caramel color, phosphoric acid, caffeine, and other ingredients are mixed together to create the syrup. This mixture is then blended with water to create the base for the drink. The exact formula for the flavoring is a closely guarded secret. 4. Asterisk. Carbonation. Asterisk. To give Coca-Cola its fizzy texture, carbon dioxide CO2 is added under high pressure. This creates the characteristic bubbles found in the soft drink. 5. Asterisk. Mixing and quality control. The syrup, carbonation, and water are mixed together in large vats. At this stage, the mixture is checked for consistency and taste. Samples are taken at various stages for quality control, ensuring the beverage matches Coca-Cola's flavor profile. 6. Asterisk. Bottling and packaging. Once the drink is ready, it is transferred to bottling lines. Coca-Cola can be packaged in different forms. Asterisk. Bottles made of glass, plastic, or aluminum. Asterisk. Cans. Asterisk. Aluminum cans are filled with the beverage. Asterisk. Kegs. Asterisk. For larger commercial or restaurant use. The bottles or cans are clean, filled with Coca-Cola, capped or sealed, and then labeled. 7. Asterisk. Quality checks and testing. Before the final product is shipped out, it undergoes several quality tests. This test check for things like carbonation levels, taste, and packaging integrity to ensure that the product meets Coca-Cola's global standards. #8. Distribution. Asterisk. Finally, the finished products are packed into boxes and shipped to distribution centers or directly to retailers. From there, they are sent out to stores, vending machines, and other locations for sale to consumers. The process ensures that every bottle of Coca-Cola produced has the same taste, quality, and consistency no matter where it's made or sold. Thank you for watching.